What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your watch history on your TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your TikTok app first time. Then what you need to do, you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon. You can see this is top right here. Then you have to go on settings and privacy. You have to click on this. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to settings and privacy, what you need to do, you have to click on activity center. After going to activity center, you can see a bunch of options that will showing you watch history, comment history. You have to click on watch history just like here. So after clicking on watch history, you can see this is all the content or video that I have watched on TikTok previously. So this is how you can see your watch history on TikTok. If you want to filter it by date, that what you watched yesterday, you can filter it and click on apply. So then you can see I didn't watch anything yesterday. So this is how you can see your watch history on TikTok app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.